I was in the middle of taking apart this Traxxas Slash to replace the spur gear when I noticed that the bearing inside of this part kinda like exploded. One of the balls from the bearing is actually like embedded in the spur gear, which could be part of the reason why this thing got stripped out. The outer ring of the bearing is still kinda stuck inside of this piece, and I just cannot get it out. I've tried everything that I can think of to get this piece out. I tried prying it out, I tried banging it out with a screwdriver and a hammer, I even tried cutting it out with my Dremel. I've tried everything I can think of, and it just will not come out. But I finally got all the parts I need to replace it, so today we're going to throw that new part in, then we're going to take it out for a drive because I have not driven this thing in like months. So as you can see, this is the old part, and here's the new part. There we go, we got this new motor mount piece back in there, and the slipper clutch fits in there perfectly once again. Now I just gotta put everything back together, then we can take it outside and test it out.